Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cute looking Ollie glider in Fortnite. And as usual, here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed. And then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So this one is very easy to draw. We'll just start out by drawing the overall head shape first. So this is gonna be pretty much like a bracket. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a waviness to it. So come across. Okay, so just draw like a little bracket like this first. And then now on the bottom, we're just gonna round it out. So just try to get it as smooth as you can. Okay, and if it's a little wobbly, it's okay. And then from here, we're gonna draw in the ear. So from this point up here, let's draw a curve going in. Same thing here, just one curve. So that's gonna be the bottom of the, I guess this could be a horn, I'm not sure if it's, yeah, I think this is a horn, not an ear. Alright, so regardless, so here's the bottom, and then from here, we just go up. So just like a little sharp dome shape. Okay, and then once we have this shape, we can finish out the overall head and the body. So we're just gonna continue this, just kind of envision this shape going all the way around. And again, I'm gonna add a little bit of a waviness to it. Okay, so now that we have this overall shape, now we can add in the little details. So let's start on the bottom. This one's a little bigger detail here. Just one curve, that's gonna be for the belly. And then now we're just gonna go up and we're gonna draw in the mouth. So it's really small. And then from the mouth, now we can finally draw in the eyes. So just go up from the corners. Okay, just come right around here. So they're really small. So they're really small, and I'm gonna add in a little highlight. I'll just shade around it. Okay, and then from there we'll add in a little bit of detail right here. Just a couple of these little round shapes, little arcs. Okay, so now finally we can draw in the wings. So the wings are really easy. Just come to the corner of the ear right here, or the horn. Just go out. So let's draw in the other side. So just draw a little curve like this first. And then now we just curve it in, and we're gonna come back to right around here. So just curve it. Just tuck it in right behind the horn there. Okay, and then we're gonna draw two more, and it's gonna get smaller and smaller. So come about halfway right here of this thing. And then we're gonna curve into the head. So again, halfway. So one more, and just come right around here again. So it just gets smaller and smaller. Alright, so that is it, but it's very easy to draw Ollie glider in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.